Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn the first tutorial of SolidWorks. In this tutorial, we will start with very basics of the SolidWorks. So for that, first of all, you have to open the SolidWorks in your laptop or PC. After that, you will get this window and just click on the new part here and select the OK. To learn this kind of softwares or designing in the SolidWorks or any other software, you must have to do the practices. Okay, so the SolidWorks work window is open now. So there are different parameters like features, sketch, evaluate, dim expert, etc. But out of them, first of all, you have to click on the sketch here. Okay, so just click on sketch. After clicking on sketch, first of all you must have to select the sketch plane. So here in this sketch, when you move your mouse cursor on this, you will see that the creates a new sketch or edits an existing sketch. So just click on that. After clicking, you get the three different planes, that is top plane, front plane, right plane. Okay, so according to your view of object, you have to select the planes. So suppose if there is an object and we will seeing it from the front side, so just select the front plane. If it is from side view, then select the right plane, and if it's from the top side of the objects, so you can select the top plane according to your views. So first of all, let's select the front plane for the practice. After selecting front plane, go over here. There are different commands, that is line, rectangle, slot, then circle, then arc, then polygon, then spline, then ellipse, then arcs. Using these basics commands, you are able to do any kind of sketches in this SolidWorks. So these are the very basics. So we will learn it step by step. So first of all, you have to check the units. So for units, just click over on this upper side. You can get the settings. Just click on that options. After clicking on them, you will get this system option, and here document properties. Click on document properties, then goes into the units. After selecting the units, you will get the different, that is MKS, CGS, MMGS, IPS custom. So by default it is set at IPS, that is inches pound second. Just click on the MMGS, that is millimeter, gram and seconds, and then click OK. After that, we will start with the very basic, that is line. In line, when you click on this arrow, you can get line, center line and midpoint line. So in line there are three different lines, that is line, midpoint and center line. So first of all we start with the line, and after that we will differentiate between line, center line and midpoint. So when we select line, so now this is your work window. So here you get this dotted line, that means you are starting with the midpoints. So just move your cursor and click on the left key. So your first point is selected here. Just move your cursor or mouse along with the horizontal axis, vertical axis or incline, whatever you want. Just move your cursor to your right, just click on the left mouse key and then just press escape. So your line is created like this. Okay, but these lines do not have dimension, and without dimension it is meaningless. So just go over here, upper side. Here you can see the smart dimensions. Just click on them, select the line, you will get the dimensions. Okay, so just let us give the dimensions of 100 mm, then just put a value of 100. units are already set, and then just press enter. So the now this line is horizontal and it is of about 100 mm. Many times what happened that the lines are inclined or not horizontal. So for this purpose, how to make it horizontally or vertically? So just select the line. If you make it like this, okay, so what happened, it is now inclined, not a horizontal line. But to make it straight, just click on the line and just select here on this left side of the window. Here you can get the horizontal and vertical. When you click on horizontal, now it is perfectly horizontal line. Another simple way is that when you make any line, when you going to make any line, so just select start point, and when you move your cursor to right or left, so just see here the yellow symbol in the where the black mark is horizontally, so it shows that your line is perfectly horizontal. And when you release your mouse, so you can get that the perfectly horizontal line. When you make a vertical line, so like that, I'm again selecting a line and just click on the start point, and now you can see that the black mark in yellow portion with a perfectly horizontally, so it indicates that your line is perfectly horizontal. Then just click on the second point, and to release them, press escape. So this is about horizontal line and vertical lines. Now if you want to give angle to a line, how to create it? So it is very simple. Just go into the line, select start point, select end point, just release or just make it continue. So don't press escape, and let us give this line any inclination angle and just press escape. Now give dimensions, so make this line 100 mm, and make select this incline line, select this horizontal line, and now the angle between them you have to assign it. So let us consider, let give the angle of 45 degree, just press enter. So here now you can see that this incline line is at 45 degree to this horizontal line. So in that way you are able to give the inclination angles or make perfectly inclined lines according to your dimensions. Now let we make a equilateral triangle. So for that, first of all you have to make a horizontal line, give dimensions of 100. It is for practice purpose, it may be different, but for practice. So when you make this horizontal line, select the start point of that horizontal line, move your cursor inclinely, then just select the end point of the horizontal line, so the triangle is created, and then press escape. Then to make a perfectly equilateral triangles, we have to give the angle to this, to incline line to this horizontal line. So just select this incline line, then select horizontal line, give angle between them 60 degree, then select this line inclination and this horizontal line, give angle between to them is 60 degree. Now you can see here that all three lines appears black in color. It indicates that your sketch is fully defined. Until your sketch appears like this black, all the, that means circles, rectangle, whatever you are going to draw in the next tutorials, so make sure that these are perfectly black in color. It indicates that your sketch is fully defined. Here you can see this, notice the cursor, here you get this fully defined, that means your sketch is now ready to go into the features. Okay, let make your difference between, I will show you that. Let press Ctrl Z to go back. Okay, whatever you have to delete, just press Control Z, or to go to the back to the behind step, just press Control Z. Okay, now this, see that now this angle is 53. Okay, now this lines appears in blue in color, and here what is it indicate that underdefined, that means sketch is not ready. So whenever your sketch is not shown that the black in colors, so just make sure that you have to make it black in color. So this is very basics but important. Let's again give the dimensions of 60°, then again select this inclined line, this horizontal line, then give the angle of 60°. Now it is black in color, so it is fully defined. So okay, this is about lines. From line you can make rectangle, triangle, whatever you want, but it is very basics. So up till now what we see that how to make a horizontal line, vertical line, inclination of lines, how to give angles to them, how to give dimensions. So in line you get these two options also, center line and midpoint line. So now I am going to show you midpoint line because it is get it to you easy to understand. So what is difference between line and midpoint line? So it's directly indicates that it is a midpoint line. That means whenever you select only line, and if you make a line like this, press escape, let give dimensions 100. Now this is a midpoint, but it is not equally 50 mm to the left side and not equally 50 mm to the right side. It may be a 40 on left side, it may be 60 on right side, but what do you, if you want to make equal on the both the sides? So for that purpose it's very simple. Let's use a midpoint line. Just go into the lines and select a midpoint line. So whenever you click on any start point, this is your start point, so it will be equally distributed on the both the sides equally. That means if you, let's make this line, make sure that your yellow symbol shows the line is perfectly horizontal, then you have to press the another point. So I'm going to give dimensions of 200 mm. So let's see, now it is perfectly 100 mm on this side and 100 mm on this side. So that is the difference between midpoint line. It's like whenever you extend a line on one side, it will be extend equally on the opposite side. So that's the difference between only line and center, or midpoint line. Okay, and center lines, so what is this? It is generally a reference lines. You can make a dotted line like this, so it is a center line. And after completion of the drawing, if you want to delete it, you can make it delete, because we can use it as a reference. Okay, so this is about the three lines, that is line, center line and midpoint line. In this tutorial I am going to stop over here, because in the upcoming sessions we will cover the rectangle, then circle, and we will go with step by step, so it will be easy to you understand. So today we will see that how to select a plane, how to change dimensions, how to make a line, how to give dimensions, how to make a horizontal, vertical lines, and let's practice about them. So we will, I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please share it, and give suggestions for the improvement, so we will do the better in the next video. Okay, thank you.